What's up, everybody? You have absolutely no reason not to be consistently profitable in every cryptocurrency exchange. And in this live crypto trading Bybit video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and trade the best performing cryptocurrency that can potentially make you more money today. And the best part, right now, I'm going to walk you through my simple 4 steps to minimize losses, maximize profits, and grow your money fast in every cryptocurrency exchange. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Andrew Oko, and I've been trading and investing in cryptocurrencies for literally 10 years now. With that, in step one, you have to identify where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to. And one of the best tools you can absolutely use to be 70% sure of where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to is the candlestick pressure data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick pressure data, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick. And that means you should go hunting for short trading opportunities in every cryptocurrency exchange. And now that we've identified where the price action of most cryptocurrencies will be heading to, let's move on to step number 2. In step 2, you have to find the most current bearish trend section of the cryptocurrencies. Make no mistakes, the candlestick pressure data of every cryptocurrency is divided into bullish trend sessions and bearish trend sessions. And that's absolutely all that you'd ever need to perform proper technical analysis of every cryptocurrency. With that, all you've got to do is to find and trade the worst performing cryptocurrencies that are currently trading above the 15% of the most current bearish trend section. For example, right now, the worst performing cryptocurrency on the Bybit exchange is the Uxlink USDT cryptocurrency futures contract. And to properly analyze the candlestick pressure data of this cryptocurrency, head over to the tradingview.com chart page, search for the crypto ticker symbol Uxlink, and let's jump right in to identify the most current bearish trend section of the Uxlink USDT cryptocurrency futures contract. And as you can see on the candlestick pressure data, the most current bearish trend section of the Uxlink USDT cryptocurrency futures contract started from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter. And from the highest price of this red candlestick bearish trend starter, the price action of this cryptocurrency dipped down to 16.44%. And right now, the Uxlink market price is currently trading at the 13.87%. And as you can see, the price action of this cryptocurrency is currently trading above the 15% of the most current bearish trend section. And that makes this cryptocurrency your potential trade target for now. And now that we've identified the right cryptocurrency to trade, it's time to identify the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. So zoom in on candlestick pressure data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. And as you can see, the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter is exactly at 1.3484. And then use the yellow horizontal ray tool to indicate the highest price of the red candlestick bearish trend starter. And now that we've found the right cryptocurrency to trade, let's move on to step number 3. In step 3, you have to create your trading plan on the candlestick pressure data of the cryptocurrency. Make no mistakes, trying to guess your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices when the price action of most cryptocurrencies are getting highly volatile is a major reasons for massive losses. And that's exactly why you have to outrightly create your trade entries, stop loss, and take profit prices on the candlestick pressure data of the cryptocurrencies before you trade them. For example, if you want to short sell the Link's USDT cryptocurrency futures contract, like I'm getting ready to short trade it right now, your stop loss price will be at the 14th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the red horizontal ray tool to indicate your stop loss price, which is 1.1828. And your entry price will be at the 15th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the blue horizontal ray tool to indicate your entry price, which is 1.1716. And your safety price will be at the 19th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the pink horizontal ray tool to indicate your safety price, which is 1.1323. And finally, your take profit price will be at the 25th% of the most current bearish trend section. And then use the white horizontal ray tool to indicate your take profit price, which is 1.0779. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, your stop loss price is at the 14th% of the most current bearish trend section, which is 1.1828. And your entry price is at the 15th% of the most current bearish trend section, which is 1.1716. And your safety price is at the 19th% of the most current bearish trend section, which is 1.1323. And finally, your take profit price is at the 25th% of the most current bearish trend section, which is 1.0779. And now that we've created your trading plan on the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency, let's move on to step number 4. In step 4, you have to choose the best entry conditions before you click the short button. Make no mistakes, the best entry conditions can save you a boatload of massive losses. And that's exactly why there are basically 2 entry conditions to be considered before you click the short button. With that, the first entry conditions for short trading opportunity states that you must monitor how the price action of the cryptocurrencies you want to trade is performing and not take any live trade actions for a whole 2 hours. And that means you have to watch how the price action of this cryptocurrency is performing and not take any live trade actions for a whole 2 hours. With that, let's check out the second entry conditions right now. The second entry conditions for short trading opportunities states that the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency must be convincingly traded in a red candlestick at the second hour of the candlestick price session. So you have to grab the psychology of a good cryptocurrency trader by patiently monitoring how the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is performing at the second hour of the candlestick price session. And if the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick, that means you should go open a short trading position via the conditional order form of the Bybit Cryptocurrency Exchange. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the latest 4 hours candlestick of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency is convincingly trading in a red candlestick at the second hour of the candlestick price section. And that means you should go open a short trading position via the conditional order form of the Bybit Cryptocurrency Exchange. With that out of the way, the mission of every candlestick that is currently trading above the 15th% of the most current bearish trend section is to rise to the safety price. And the task of every cryptocurrency trader is to relocate your stop loss from the 14th% stop loss price to the 15th% entry price when the price action of a candlestick dips down to the safety price. But if the price action of a candlestick dips down below the entry price and then fails to reach the safety price, you must close your entire crypto trading position at the entry price if the price action of the new candlestick that is formed begins to squeeze up to the entry price. That way, you will be able to eliminate unnecessary losses in every cryptocurrency exchange. Finally, guys, when you trade with the right psychology of a good cryptocurrency trader and lose more than 5 times in a row, if you can keep re-entering the trade as demanded by these entry conditions, you can still be consistently profitable in every cryptocurrency exchange. Now I want to turn it over to you. Did you learn something from this live crypto trading Bybit video? Leave a comment below right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.